guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla, or Bambi for this tutorial, if that's what you want to call me, and I'm back with another video. So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this very easy and affordable Bambi Halloween tutorial. Okay, Halloween look. It's a Halloween tutorial, but it's really easy Bambi look. I created this look about 2-3 years ago on my own from YouTube videos that I saw, and I was like, I have to create this on my YouTube channel now that my channel is up and running. So I'm gonna insert some pictures on the screen of when I created the look a few years back, and then I'm gonna jump right into the video and show y'all how I'm creating it now, present day. I hope you guys love it. I hope y'all enjoy it. I hope y'all create it and tag me in pictures and just, you know. And before we get into this video, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Go down below, click the post notification bell, and let's get straight into this video. Okay, y'all, let's get straight into the video. I had to start with my makeup already, like, basically done, because I didn't want to do a full-out makeup tutorial. If y'all want to see how my full-out makeup tutorials look, go refer back to my flawless foundation routine, and in that video you see like how I do everything. So basically I just did foundation, concealer, and that's it. I didn't contour, I didn't do none of that yet, because all of that ties into the look. So let's get straight into it. And say hi to my baby Peace. This is my new baby. Her name is Peace. She's breathing love and light into my room, and I've been wanting to plant, and I have one now. Thank you, mommy. I love you. Let's get straight into the video. So I'm about to set my concealer. I wet my hair in the water, the conditioner that I put in, so I just put it down. Okay. So right now, this is just regular makeup stuff. I'm just setting my concealer, y'all. Alright, so my face is set. I look crazy right now. I look crazy. I look crazy. But whatever, my face is set, y'all. I'm gonna let this sit a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back when it's time to really get into the look, as far as dragging this contour and adding the details. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna bronze up my face, not contour, because I don't contour. I powder bronze, so I'm bronzing up my face with just a regular powder bronzer. Mine has a little bit of glitter in it because I'm a fiend for glitter. I don't know what would I do without glitter. So we're gonna bronze up, and we're dragging the bronzer. Okay, I'm not gonna do too much, but I'm dragging it because theirs, they're very structured, you feel me? So we're gonna drag it, and it's gonna be a little bit higher than usual. Of this white cast on my face, going in with a regular brown pressed powder. This is, I think, Nick Yak or Nick-Yak, something like that. It's from the beauty supply store. It was real cheap. Gonna get this white cast off my face. Bring me back some color, you know. I love my melanin, and I need it to show. None of this really matters for the makeup tutorial, y'all. This is like the basic parts of the makeup, and I think I put the bronzer on before. I was supposed to put it on at the wrong time. I think I was supposed to put it on after I dusted off my powder, but my line's a little frazzled right now, so we're gonna put on a little bit more bronzer just so that it's, you know, defined. All right, now we're gonna do our nose contour, and this we're gonna drag. Normally you want to blend this out. You don't want this to be showing too much, but for this look, you can mess up because it's supposed to look the way that I'm gonna do it. Harsh and just, you know. We're gonna take it down from the eye and just bring it all the way down like this. Normally I would blend this out, which I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. I'm not gonna OD, but I'll blend it out a lot more normally. Just like this. Bringing it down. And that's perfect. I'm gonna go over it with my beauty blender so that it's not that harsh, but it's still there. Y'all still see it. Now I'm gonna carve out my contour with some Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color medium deep. I really forgot to do my makeup, and I just did it like last weekend, and I did a good job last weekend, but right now I'm winging it. The makeup portion for the tutorial, I know exactly what to do, but for the makeup portion, I'm winging it. But yeah, so this is to ensure the pop of this contour. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? All right, we're gonna leave this on our face while we work. So now we're gonna move on to doing our eyes. For our eyes, we're gonna use the same brush that we use to apply the nose contour and just make our lids a little dark and blend that out. Next, we're gonna go in with a black liner. It could be a felt tip liner or it can be a liquid liner, any one that you prefer. I'm not good at doing eyeliner, so let's pray that I don't mess this up. But this eyeliner is really good. I tried it out yesterday. It's called Ico Bomb, and it's black. Okay, I'm gonna flick it down like longer than how it usually should look. So I'm gonna pull my eye a little bit, though I don't really need to. I'm so scared, like I don't want to mess this up. I feel like I already did. You see this one? Perfect. Well, not perfect. It must be longer. Like that. This one is very high. You see what I can do to erase it? Don't panic, y'all. Don't be popped and panicking. Don't be popped and panicking. Keep going. Keep going. I don't care. Just made the line a little bit longer and a little bit thicker than I initially wanted it, but it doesn't matter. Let's just get this one to match. And that's fine. I don't care. It's fine. Next, we're gonna make the deer nose. So let's do that. I'm using my Marc Jacobs liner, and you're just gonna take it around your nose. So from here all the way around. I'm gonna make the outline first, then I'm gonna fill it in. So this makeup on my face is not trying to show up, so I'm gonna have to use the liquid liner. But making the outline is gonna help me so that I don't mess up. I see the outline. So I'm gonna go in with the, well, let me see. I have another, just a regular eye pencil from the beauty supply store. Let me see if this one works. Oh, it kind of works. Yeah, I think this should be okay. If I want it to be darker, I'll go back in with the felt tip liner. So let's just color this all over where we put this. I'm filling in the whole bottom of my nose, guys. Filling it all in. And the $1 liner worked fine, so I didn't have to use my felt tip liner and mess it up. I think that looks perfect. It's cute. And then, well, let me just perfect it a little bit. Let me get a little symmetrical. I need to sharpen it. If you have a sharpener on hand, that'll be good. Most of the time, these come with sharpeners anyway, so. And then just take a line from here straight down. Kind of line right here. Take it up if you want. I'm gonna do that. Last time I did this look, I didn't do all of this, but I did the line, but I didn't take it like up like oh. Okay guys, so look. That's how it's looking so far. Let me look back at my reference picture, y'all. Okay, now we're gonna line our lips. Well, first of all, let's dust this extra powder away because the contour is gonna be stamped out. Brush this away to the best of our ability. That is fine because, like I said, they're very structured. Now we're gonna fill in our top lip black. So we're gonna line our lip and then we're gonna fill it in black. This top lip only. I'm gonna take the liner and pull it a little bit far on the sides of the lip. We're getting there, y'all. Okay, so the bottom lip, don't worry about it yet. We're not gonna touch it yet. Let's move on to the detail that we all came here for. Okay, so we're gonna do our white detailing now. I'm not gonna. All right, so we're gonna do our white detail. Then we're gonna add some highlight and I don't know why this is so hard to take off. So you can either go to the beauty supply store and get a white liner, because you know how they have so many fun liners nowadays because of makeup. So you can get a white liner, or you can get the NYX jumbo pencil in the color milk. I had that when I decided to do this look, but I didn't use it. I decided to use just a regular eye pencil in the color white, and that works perfectly fine. So you could go that way. That's a cheaper alternative, or you can get the jumbo pencil, which is not that expensive either. but it's giving me a hell of a time, excuse me, to take off. I got it off. This is how it looks. All right, so we're gonna do these dots. They do not need to be symmetrical. Do them however you want, okay? And whenever you're doing a look, y'all, you always want to put your own little twist on it, which I'm gonna do. So let's go. Put the dots wherever y'all want. Am I giving Bambi vibes yet? All right, now for like a mini finish touch, I'm gonna put just some beauty marks because I need to do my beauty marks. Makeup look, I mean, Halloween tutorial or not, your girl need her beauty marks. I have one that I was born with right here, so this is coming back. Okay, we're almost done, y'all. Don't be this look is so easy to do, y'all. Regular makeup, make sure you contour your face out, your white dots, your black nose and lips, and you're basically done. Like, we're gonna put some highlight on now. Let's put on a little bit of highlight. Highlight makes everybody happy. I know it makes me happy. Because this Bambi gotta be shining, okay? Because I would not dare have Bambi out here with no highlight. Did that make y'all happy? If it made you happy, comment some sparkles down below. I know it made me happy. OCD problems. See that? How it just makes your eye pop. I'll try putting on lashes, y'all. I'm gonna have to literally go to somebody to learn because YouTube can't help me when it comes to putting all that. All right, guys, I'm finished with my mascara. Bambi looks good, okay? I look beautiful. Like, looky here, what she created. I think this is a little better than the one I created last time too. Only difference is I had lashes on and I put them on myself, but it's all good because I'm a learner. I keep saying that, but I'm a learner. Time to apply this gloss. And now we're done, y'all. We got a little transfer. It's all good. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's really easy to create this look, y'all. This is my second time creating it. I was looking for somebody to be on YouTube 1 year, like about 2 years ago, and I found this easy makeup look, and I was like, I had to create it. And then I created it about 2 years ago, and I'm like, now that my YouTube channel is up and running, I have to create it for my butterflies and for y'all to see like how easy it is. Like, create this look, be a deer, be Bambi, or whatever you want to call yourself for Halloween. It's really easy, it's really cute, and it's really sexy. Like, if you wanted to put this on with like some black, like an all black bodysuit, that would be cute. Or, you know, put your own touches on it. But I love y'all, and I hope y'all love this look. Stay blessed, y'all.